how safety officers can save themselves from the court in case of an accident. It's a very important. Last week we heard one of the safety person was arrested due to one fatality happened in their site. It's a very important for the safety officer to know how safety officers can save themselves from the court in case of an accident or fatality or any legal issues. The main point is always be aware and make sure your company has HSE plan, HSE policy and HSE procedure. Mainly we follow the HSE policy rule as per the company rules and regulations, and mainly follow the government rules and regulations. That HSE policy we make, that HSE policy is based on the government rules and regulations. Each country have each workplace, each regulations, working procedure, factory act, different method. Each country have each method, each procedure. So we make and clearly HSE plan based on the government rules and regulations. What government will say, that same procedure we will be follow up the HSE plan. That first important point is to that. That means always be aware and make sure your company HSE plan and policy and follow the government rules and regulations. Next point is always report any issue in your site, accident, incident, any legal related any issues. You must report higher management, project manager and higher engineers with the proof, not verbal. Third point is ensure work permit system. Work permit system is available and followed. This will be keep you safe, because in that work permit system your higher authority everybody will be signed. That means normally a work permit system, you inform to the manager will be signed there, your engineer will be signed there, your safety officer will be signed there, contractor will be signed there. So 4 or 5 person connected to that. If you are at any risk hazard work, everybody will be aware to that. Before start the work, we will be informed to everybody. That means you take the work permit system, you take the work permit. Work permit means everybody aware that that work is going there. It may be highly risk work, small risk work. Anyway, everybody will be aware to that. That is very important, because you are not only the responsible person of that risk work. Who signed there? Everybody is responsible to that. So ensure the work permit system is available and followed. Next point is ensure third party certificates or CAD available, valid and check with third party person and collect the third party certificate. If it is original or fake, we can understand to that, because heavy machinery, lot of heavy machinery used in our site. We cannot 100% perfectly checking to that. Safety officer never check. We can check only basic things. We cannot check the deeply. Safety officer cannot check to that machinery is good or bad. And another point is we are not the authorized person to certify that vehicle is 100% fit for work. So we need to third party inspection and we need to third party certificate. That is very important. Very useful to us. Very useful to safety officer. So heavy machinery or heavy equipment, anything need to your site, anything is working your site, you arrange the third party inspection and collect the third party certificate. That is very important. Another one important point is ensure people have given work specific training with attendance proof before they go to work. Before start the work, we give the proper training to the members and collect the proof, collect the attendance, collect the signature. They are understand and they will be do only this method. Next one important point is conduct toolbox meeting daily. Take the photo and document. In that toolbox meeting, you clearly mention to that today what risk hazard, what work going on. Nobody going to there. That is a restricted area. That point will be clearly informed to the toolbox meeting. That photo will be collect, that attendance will be collect, and that document will be prepared. Your job is to make sure people have specific training, following safety working system, and remember, paperwork will not bring safe work, but it will be saved in case of an accident. You make a clearly specific training, give the proper training, everything is okay, but that is for you, your safety. In case of any accident, you give the clear training to that person, clear risk assessment, clearly explain to that person, you are safe. Ensure all members, all workers are safety inducted. Records are maintaining and updated. That means any member, any worker related, any person come to your site, before start the work, first main things is safety induction. Basic things, what work, what kind of work we are doing, what are the safety system in this country, what are the safety procedure of the company, everything will be clearly explained to that member, and you collect the attendance and record are properly maintained. Ensure the prior to any lifting activity, lifting permits, third party certificates of the crane, operator and riggers. Third party certificates of all lifting gears and accessories are available. Example, D-shackle, bow shackles, chain slings, web slings, chain blocks, everything have need to third party certificate. Because if any mistake to that any particular material, particular that equipment, example D-shackle, any mistake, any happen, you are only responsible. Because third party certificate we are safe. If they have third party certificate clearly mentioned how much load capacity, it is good or damage, in that third party certificate clearly mentioned, then only we can use. Almost lifting activity ensure the ground is properly compacted and area is totally barricaded, not only for lifting activity. All risk work, that means height work related, scaffolding related, excavated related, that type of all activities make head barricade. We implement safety induction, toolbox meeting, everything is okay, but same time, what safety officer side, what need to safety officer implement into the site, we must need to implement the safety procedure, safety precautions in the site. That means simply barricaded, base plate, that from our side, that from safety officer side we must need to check, and if now how we must need to implement. Same confined space also, same procedure. What are the safety requirements? First, safety side, safety officer side, what we need, give the training, oxygen checking, ensure the light arrangement, ensure the gas detectivity, everything is first. Whatever the safety officer side, we need to maintaining the record, and that information must need to inform to the higher authority. I hope this some information very useful to work in your site. For the precautions, safety officers can save themselves from the court in the case of an accident. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.